trying to not be suspicious. It's nice and easy. Just, taking a little drive in the E36 BMW here in second gear. Occasionally the gas pedal gets stuck, but that's okay. Nice. Also doesn't like to idle, so it's constantly stalling out. This car is not a big fan of idling. It just likes to go fast. Look at that, huh? Drilled and slotted. We'll be getting some new emblems soon. Even the rear wheels have slotted rotors. Don't act like you're not impressed. It's yeah, brake cooling. That's what that's for. To be expected. Doesn't like to idle. This color is weird. Check this out. Sierra red metallic. Sierra rot. Get some pretty amateur hour drift car special stuff happening here. But in any case, you get what you pay for. It's all right.